Is your heat press timer not starting automatically when you close the handle? It might be time to replace the limit switch. In this official Delclynee maintenance guide, we'll show you how to swap out the old sensor for a new one in just a few minutes. Tools you'll need: Phillips head screwdriver and long nose pliers. Important: always unplug the machine before starting. Step 1. Use a screwdriver and pliers to unscrew the 2 bolts holding the switch. Step 2. Gently remove the switch from the bracket. Be careful with the wires. Step 3. Disconnect the wire terminals from the old switch. Step 4. Connect the wires to the new switch. Ensure they are secure. Step 5. Place the new switch back into the bracket, aligning it with the holes. Step 6. Reinstall and tighten the screws to secure the switch. Finally, test the handle to ensure it triggers the switch correctly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need to order a replacement switch, please contact us through your Amazon order page. We're here to support your business.